right, so it's the fall. We're out here in the raised bed. We're raising some hard-neck garlic. So I put trenches basically every 6 inches apart all the way down the raised bed. And then we laid the garlic. We soaked it for about 12 hours in spring water, so not any chlorinated water. Soaked it for about 12 hours, and then we just laid them in every 6 inches or so with the points facing up. And then we're just going to take the compost and fill in the trenches. Here, William, fill in the trenches with the dirt. Try to cover up everything. What are we doing after this?
We're gonna make a video about my firefly pistol.
Your pistol?
Yep.
Cool. You excited?
Really excited, actually.
Really excited. So we're going to, water this a little bit every day. And then once they sprout, we're going to cover them up with some straw. Not trying to get a whole lot of top growth for the winter. We're basically just letting them root out. And once it gets cold, has a hard frost, they'll go dormant. But they'll get a start on next year. They'll get a start on next year in the root system. Okay, it's been about a month. And you come in and look here, they're starting to grow, but we're starting to get frost now. It's about November 15th or so. And so we put the straw over there so they could last through the winter. Hey, buddy. So it could last through the winter, and then come the springtime, we'll have us some nice hard-neck garlic. So ain't much to show you till the springtime. Thanks for watching.